Yun. Live. As of now, I am going to give you a glimpse of my job. As of now, time check, almost 1 o'clock, 1:15, 12 to 4 ang gwardiya ko. This is the loading computer, loading monitor. Okay, radio. These are the power packs. 1, 2 lang yung ginagamit namin kasi loading lang. Bukas yung aking nagde-debalast ako. And yun, wala tayong cargo pumps running kasi loading. We are here in Houston, Bosco Terminal. Bosco, Battleground Oil Terminal. Battleground of Oil Shipping Terminal, something like that. Yan. Computer and printer, BWMS, high level alarm. Okay, that's the gas detection. A lot of mga you need to read max underwater line discharge, flash radio, medical sea service. Ngayon ko lang na nababasa. Certificate, Chem Hydra, previous name. Salvage. During loading and discharging, hourly rate and manifold pressure must be recorded, updated. Okay. Ito. Cargo and ballast operations. Ito ay, is this? Atmostorakis pa to. Operation of valve remote control system. Emergency preparedness. Crew list. Cargo and ballast operation. Inerting void space systems. Manual for gas detection alarm. Okay. What's this? Pressure drop calculations. Vacuum valves. Pressure. Engine room, the vessel works, damage compartments. Ito. Maximum cargo density 1025. Loading 100% each tank. 1.5 for maximum cargo density. Okay. So lot of here Pramo pump. Performance diagram. Effect of IG on flammability. Calibration certificate. That Norsk Veritas. And this is the control of parcels associated with the initial loading of static accumulator cargoes. Pressure vacuum. Okay. And 2. Nitrogen. Inert gas generator. IG generator capacity 625 to 25 cbm per hour. Okay. This is the IG panel. Ito yung mga sources sa IG. This one's tank data for every tanks. Okay. This is the high level alarm, BWMS, ballast water treatment system. Okay. Ref, another computer and printer for GFO. This full piece SGS, tank capacity, bunkering outfitting, shipboard drills, yung mga total capacity. It's the bunker 1 haulage inspection report. Okay, so what I do, HFO 1 wing, 2 wings, 6 wings, BLSFO 3 wings, 5 wings, LSMGO 4 wings, slap wings. Okay. World load line regulations, maximum cargo density, telephone. Ito, compatibility chart, yung mga chemical compatibility. Excuse me po. Ano naman yung mga company policies. Okay. Code of conduct, welfare policy, Nasusunod kaya ito. Environmental policy, quality policy, safety policy, workplace, human rights policy, health and hygiene, drug and alcohol. EMP, energy, efficiency management policy, social media, security policy, mental health, sustainability policy, open reporting, social responsibility policy, cybersecurity, human factors, emergency preparedness. What else do we have to read here? Cargo tank sensor arrangement, ship drawings. Okay, ship drawings. Ito yung mga diagram. Oil spill, collector tanks, drip tray. Okay. Cargo transfer piping system. Ito. All discharge ODME pala to. Ito. Cargo heating. Okay. IG system. Cargo pump and suction well arrangement. Cargo tank sensor arrangement. What is this? Ballast water system. This is cargo vent and vapor return. VEX. No? What is this? Web frame, ordinary frame, midship section, cargo tank cleaning system. Okay. Ship, offshore radio, spare battery, spare. So what do I do here when I'm on watch? Yun. Okay, so nagdedebalas tayo. We are loading on this tank, 3 starboard VLSFO. Ballast negative na, so transfer lang natin yan dito. Open, and then close this one. Nagana na tayo, naglilist na sa port side. Tapos minimum muna kasi konti na lang yung size. Strip natin yan, i-empty natin. Okay, this is the ballast monitor screen. Naka-close na to. So from nagdi-discharge tayo, the ballasting from 6, which is nearly empty, going to, ito yung crossover, going to the pump discharge. Yan yung the ballast. Cargo control, naglo-loading tayo as of now at this tank, 3 starboard. So ang ginagawa ko dito is last hour rate was I took 1 o'clock. Nakakuha ko ng 8.791 just for 1 tank. Ito na lang kasing lalagyan, 8.070 VLSFO. After that, ito naman susunod LSMGO, 1 by 1 lang. 9001 last hour haulage from there, so 8 meters na ngayon with the correction 0.210 3 starboard to get the UTI figure. May correction 9001. So sa VL we have to load 4650 metric tons, decimal 274. Ang nakuha ko ay 3577. So 4650 to load, 3577 last hour. Meron pa siyang 4650 minus 3577 it was 1073 pa yung kanyang to load. 1073. Nakuha ko rin yung last hour rate niya from VLSFO ay 295957 divided by 295 it was so 3.6 hours pa from 1 o'clock which I took last hour, 3.6, so 0436 VLSFO ETC. Yan yung ginagawa namin. Ito yung shore radio, another radio VHF 77. Tapos dito During loading, ginagawa namin SMGO record, CBO 040, HSFO, BLSFO, cold work permit during using of yung crane for connecting hoses. Ayan yung hose. We don't use here loading arms Chicsan, hose lang. Galing sa terminal yung ikakarga papunta sa barko. Loading operations. Allege report. Bunker 1 SOF para kay Uncle Sam, tapos another SOF for the ship. Ayan CBO 001. Ayan, pipila pa namin yan, SOF. Dito kami kumukuha ng rate. After inputting here, then take from after. Ito, SOF. Ayan. Yun lang. Every hour. That's what we do. Okay. Nga ba to? Ito, pinipilapan ko rin to. 9025, deck watch and port, cold work permit P003. Declaration of security from the terminal. Ano pa ba? Daming pinipilapan pagka ito, yung mga documents ni Jeepmate. Allege report, notice of readiness, MSDS, MGO, tsaka BLSFO. Surveyor documents, Bosco documents. Pag nandito yung loading master, ito yung pinipilapan, ship hook and disconnect. Ito yung declaration of security DOS from the ship. Pre-arrival CBO 001. Dami. Declaration of security from the terminal. And also we have CBO 004 pre-loading, discharging cargo ballast can. So that's it. That's what I do. Good watch.